Hey guys, Gerald for Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a look at Nike's summer hiker shoe of the year, the ZOOM AIR AO. Before we get into the unboxing, guys, just want to remind you, hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss one of our latest videos when they release. And let's get into it. So we've got the ACG ZOOM AIR AO. For those that don't know, ACG is Nike's all conditions gear. It is for their outdoors, trails, whatever kind of activities that you do outdoors, it's built for that. And we've got to look at I've read like many reviewers, I've seen other YouTubers, they've mentioned that this is like their drainage shoe. We'll get into that, why it's called that, but let's get into what colorway we've got. So we've got it in the black, laser crimson, and we have this in the UK size 7.5, a US 8.5, and it's a European 42. I've mentioned this in one of our past videos, but I do love this new ACG box. It's really cool. Big fan. And let's have a look. There it is. So if we start with the outsole, now there are a lot of writing on this, so this has what ACG means. It's designed and tested in Oregon, built for all conditions, manufactured to the exact specifications of championship athletes throughout the world for outdoor use. So obviously Nike just stamping their seal of approval right here off the bat on the outsole. It reminds me of the Jordan 10s, where it has like Michael Jordan's like accomplishments per year. It's like that. This is an all rubber outsole, a lot of different kind of traction. So you have like a linear one along here, then a lot of like kind of spikes with the ACG logo right in the middle, and it kind of imitates going back towards the heel. So what I tend to notice from ACG like sneakers are that there's a lot more grip along the toe and the heel area. Obviously that's where you're going to be you're lifting a lot of your weight from the toe, shifting it to the heel. You're going to experience a lot of grip. That's where it wants you. And if you're like climbing, you're obviously going to be sticking your toe into engrave or whatever that's on a wall. These are built for anything, like this is for outdoor use. Moving on to the midsole, so you can see that there's 3 holes, and you've got 3 holes on the medial side as well, and it says drainage. So what this is intended to do is to obviously drain the water out from whatever you stepped in, and essentially it's meant to dry your feet really quick. And these were built for like that kind of exploration, like hiking or whatever you're doing outdoors. Going up along the upper, so this is, I want to say it's all plastic, but it's all textile, and it feels kind of like ripstop along the upper. It's a nice like sock liner. It's like, reminds me of a slip-on, but there are laces, which I will get into. And you got more of like a Nike Hyperfuse on the toe box, and it mentions that it's ZOOM AIR. So there is a ZOOM AIR cushioning that you'll find on the back of the heel. That's where Zoom unit is. And if you go along the upper, it clearly states it's ACG along the tongue area. As I mentioned, it's sock liner with obviously it's like a booty system as well. And if we go from the heel counter, you've got a nice pull tab. It says trail frame, so that's what this like TPU like heel support system is there. Got the ACG logo, and it says Zoom. So the lacing system is underneath the ACG logo, so it's easy. So you've got this like little toggle that you just pull to tighten it and loosen it so you can get your feet out basically. This was meant for like a 360 breathability, the Hyperfuse sections here. It just reminds me of, I forgot what Nike shoe it was, but they incorporated Ronaldo, like the OG Ronaldo, for those that are thinking Cristiano. No, I mean the Brazilian Ronaldo, when he wore those Nikes, it was blue, and Nike did something, I just forgot what model it was, but that's what this Hyperfuse system like reminds me of. I'm not mad at the colors. Like, one of my favorite Jordans are the Raptor 7s, and anything purple on a pair of shoes I'm into. Like, I'm a big Prince fan, so you've got that as well. And like I said, you can't go mad at this. So I'm gonna try these on, let you guys know how it feels. I'm really excited to try what this zoom unit at the heel is all about. Let's do it. I think this was great, guys. Nice lacing system. It was easy to put my feet in. Pretty sure it's going to be the same taken out, and I can't go wrong with the benefits of obviously having the hole at the tongue, and obviously the toggle really helped get my feet in. One thing to note though, I feel like the heel here, the collar is digging into my heels, the back of my feet, so I feel that's going to be a bit of a problem, but I'm sure once I break into it, it's smooth sailing. You can't see it, but obviously I can feel that Zoom Air cushioning. It's really comfy at my heel. Can't go wrong with that. No complaints here. I can feel why that this is the hiking shoe for Nike for this year. With that said, I think that it's true to size. Guys, get your true Nike size. If you want a more snug fit, then go half a size down. Totally up to you. But in my experience, I think that you should go true to size. Mine is 7.5. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end at Instagram. Till next time, peace.